Welcome to Pranavik's Corner.
Have you ever opened your school bag and wondered, why do I carry so many things every day? A pencil, a ruler, an eraser, each one has an important job. Today, we are going to explore 20 everyday school items, learn what they are used for, and discover smart safety tips that every student should know. School bag. The school bag is like a student's best helper. It carries books, lunch, water bottle, and many other important things. Don't overload your school bag. A very high bag can hurt your shoulders and back. Pencil. The pencil is one of the first writing tools every student learns to use. We use it for writing, drawing, and making rough work. Never point a sharp pencil toward anyone. Eraser. Everyone makes mistakes. That's perfectly okay. An eraser helps remove pencil marks neatly. Use your own eraser. Pen. As students grow older, they begin writing with pens. Pens use ink instead of graphite. Always close the pen cap after using it. Never put the pen in your mouth. Ruler. A ruler helps us draw straight lines and measure length. Don't use the ruler like a sword. It is a measuring tool, not a toy. Scissors. Scissors help us cut paper for art and craft projects. Always hold scissors by the closed blades when passing them to someone. Glue. Glue helps stick paper, cardboard, and craft materials together. Glue is not food. Never taste or smell glue closely. Crayons and color pencils. These colorful tools make drawings bright and beautiful. Color only on paper. Don't draw on walls, furniture, or books. Books. Books are full of knowledge. Books help us imagine, learn, and grow. Turn pages gently. Keep books clean and dry. Notebook. A notebook keeps your classwork and homework organized. Writing regularly also improves handwriting. Write neatly. Don't waste pages. Water bottle. Our brain and body need water to stay active. Carry a clean bottle every day. Wash it daily. Never share your bottle if someone is sick. Lunchbox. Healthy food gives us energy to study and play. Wash your hands before eating. Close the lunchbox tightly after your meal. Geometry box. Older students use a geometry box for mathematics. The compass has a sharp point. Use it carefully and keep it closed after use. Sharpener. A sharpener keeps pencils ready for writing. Empty the pencil shavings into a dustbin. Don't put your fingers inside the blade. Tissue or handkerchief. Keeping a tissue or handkerchief helps maintain good hygiene. Cover your mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing. School ID card. The ID card tells others who you are and which school you attend. Wear your ID card properly. Don't exchange it with friends. Computer. Many schools use computers for learning. Use clean hands. Sit at a proper distance from the screen. Homework diary. A homework diary helps students remember their assignments. Check your diary every evening before packing your school bag. Face mask. Sometimes, during illness or special situations, students may wear a face mask. Wear the mask over your nose and mouth. Replace dirty masks with clean ones. Hand sanitizer. When soap or water are not available, hand sanitizer helps kill many germs. Use only a small amount. Rub until your hands are dry. Fun quiz time. Let us see how much you remember. Which school item helps you draw straight lines? That's right, a ruler. Which item should never be pointed at your friends? Correct, a sharp pencil. What should you wash every day? Your water bottle. Excellent. Which school item helps you remember homework? Homework diary. Amazing. Today, we explored 20 important school items, learned how to use them correctly, and discovered simple safety tips that help us stay safe at school every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next learning adventure.